Hello, good evening, everyone. Beta, welcome to the first class of discussing CUET Part A, GATE Part A questions. The topic that I'm going to take today is called percentage. Okay, beta. I will take some very, very important questions from percentage that can be asked in your final exam. Okay, beta. देखो ध्यान से. The first thing that we have to understand is how percentage can be converted to fraction and fraction can be converted to percentage. पहले बेटा percentage को fraction में convert करना सीखते हैं. तो अगर हमें x% दिया हुआ होगा तो percentage को fraction में convert करने के लिए हमें 100 से divide करना होगा. मतलब for example, if I go ahead and I tell you convert 4% into fraction. So 4% can be written as 4 divided by 100. 4% क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 4% can be written as 4 divided by 100. Clear हुई ये बात बेटा? ठीक है बेटा. अब हम इसका रिवर्स देखते हैं. If you are given a fraction and you have to convert that to percentage, अगर हमें एक fraction दी हुई है और हमें उसको percentage में convert करना है, then बेटा we will multiply with 100. तो जैसे for example, if I am telling you convert 4 by 5 into percentage, तो कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can we do that? बेटा 4 by 5 into 100, so this will be nothing but 80%. हाँ बेटा, clear हुई ये बात? So whenever we say we want to convert any x by y fraction into percentage, we will multiply with 100. And whenever we have something in percentage and I want to convert this in fraction, I will divide it by 100. Is that clear, beta? Okay, beta. Now just take this example. So if I have to convert half into percentage, it will be half into 100, which will be 50%. If I have to convert 1 by 3 into percentage, it will be 1 by 3 into 100. That means beta 33.33%. So whenever I have to convert anything into percentage, I am going to multiply that with 100. Okay, beta. Now I will take most asked questions from percentage. मैं कुछ questions दे रही हूं आपको which can be asked from percentage. Let's take some questions बेटा. पहला question देखो ध्यान से. If 15 is added to a number, then it is increased by 20%. Find the original number. If 15, ध्यान से समझेंगे हम question को बेटा. If 15 is added to a number, एक number में हम 15 add कर रहे हैं. So हम हमेशा कैसे, it asks us find the original number. तो हम original number को x ले लेंगे. Let the original number be x. क्या लेंगे बेटा हम original number को? We will take the original number as x. अच्छा, now what it is saying? If 15 is added to the number, तो हमने उस number में 15 add कर दिया. We have added 15 to that number. Then it is increased by 20%. तो बेटा मैंने क्या rule सिखाया? I have to convert 20% into fraction. So कैसे convert कर सकते हैं? How can we convert this? So we can say 20% will be 20 divided by 100. So it will be 1 by 5. तो ये कितने से increase कर रहे हैं वो उस number को? By 1 by 5. So x plus x by 5. x से multiply करेंगे. It is increasing by 20%. What is increasing by 20%? क्या बढ़ 20% से? x बढ़ रहा है ना. So we are finding 20% of x. So whenever we have to find beta 20% of x, it means it will be 20 by 100 into x. So 1 by 5 into x. So x by 5. Clear हुई बात बेटा? Everyone is clear with it? So it is saying it is increased by 20%. So x and x is getting cancelled. So 15 is equal to x by 5. So 75. ये यहाँ चला जाएगा. 15 into 5 is 75 is equal to x. So 75 is equal to x. So beta, what is your original number? Your original number will be 75. क्या हो जाएगा original number? It will be 75. Clear हुई ये बात बेटा? Okay बेटा, now look into the second question for the day. Question देखो, read it out. If a number is decreased by 8.33%, it becomes 7788. Find out 50% of the original number. So beta, what we can do? Let the original number be x. हमने ओरिजिनल नंबर को x लेना है. Let the original number be x. बेटा इट इज सेइंग व्हेन x is decreased. कितने से डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं? 8.33. So we are decreasing x by 8.33%. So beta first we have to convert percent into fraction. So 8.33 of x मतलब 8.33%. को कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं फ्रैक्शन में? What is the rule I have taught you? Whenever you have to convert percentage into fraction, you will divide by 100. So beta, this is going to be 8.33 divided by 100 into x. So bacha, this will be 8.33x by 100. It will be 8.33x by 100. Clear हुई ये बात? Okay. Now it is saying when the number is decreased by 8.33%, so we will decrease this number. Let us decrease this number by 8.33%. Then what it is saying? It becomes 7788. It becomes 7788. Beta, x की value निकाल लो. Just solve for the value of x. So what is going to be your x in this case? Well, if I just take x common, this is going to be 100 minus 8.33 upon 100 is equal to 7788. हाँ बेटा, am I making some sense to you? Okay बेटा, so x will be what? 7788. ये यहाँ चला जाएगा. So into 100 divided by 100 minus 8.33. So 100 minus 8.33 is 91.67. So beta, this is going to be your value of x. X की value ये आ जाएगी. But it is not asking you to find x. X नहीं निकालना है. क्या निकालना है बेटा? It is saying find 50% of this x. क्या निकालना है? 50% of the original number. 50% of x. So बेटा 50% माने क्या हो गया? 50% of x. So 50% कैसे निकालेंगे? Convert this in fraction. 50 by 100 of की जगह पे multiplication x. So बेटा this will be half of x. तो हमें जो value निकालनी है वो x नहीं निकालनी है. We don't have to find x. We have to find half x. We have to find half x. तो बेटा half ये x निकाला है हमने. Now the question is asking find 50% of x. Find 50% of x. So we will find 50%, half of x. और x का वैल्यू क्या निकाला बेटा हमने? This is the value of x. This is the value of x. So instead of x, I will put this value बेटा. Just solve this. इसको solve करेंगे सब. So this will be 50. When you will use calculator, you will get 4247.84. So the correct answer to this question will be 4248. Am I clear? So it is asking me to find 50% of the original number and I have to do that only. ठीक है बेटा, come to the next question. Take this question now. It says if 6/2/3% of a number is subtracted from itself, result will become 5670. Find the original number. तो बेटा शुरू करेंगे हम. Let the original number be x. Let the original number be x. अब क्या बोल रहे बेटा? 6/2/3%. I will teach you this एक बारी. So 6 2/3. Beta, whenever you get this is called as mixed fraction. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम बेटा? It is called as mixed fraction. And how can we convert mixed fraction into actual fraction? So it is this multiplied with this plus this. Matlab 6 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. This is how we can convert mixed fraction into our actual fraction. So 6 into 3 plus 2. So that means 18 plus 2/3. That means 20/3. But beta, we see that there is a percentage sign here. So it means here, it means that there is a percentage sign now. So there is a percentage sign. And how do we convert percentage and fraction? क्या पढ़ा है हमने percentage को fraction में convert करने के लिए? So in order to convert percentage to fraction, we will divide by 100. We will divide by 100. So बेटा ये होगा 20/3 divided by 100. बेटा whenever you have to divide, you can multiply with the reciprocal. So if I have to divide this by 100, इसका मतलब हो गया I will multiply it with 1/100. तो बेटा what will I get? 1, 5. ये हो गया 1/15. This is 1/15. So बेटा ये हो गया हमारा 1/15. ये fraction terms में it is 1/15. In terms of fraction, it is 1/15. ठीक है. Now it says if this of a number is subtracted from itself, result is 5670. So beta we will say let the original number be x. Let the original number be x. जब इस x में से हमने 1/15 x को subtract किया, then it says that the answer is 5670. What is the answer? 5670. So beta this is 15x minus x by 15 is equal to 5670. So beta then you can solve. ये हो गया 14x by 15 is equal to 5670. So x will be ये multiply हो जाएगा यहाँ जाके ये divide. So into 15/14 and answer will be 6075. What will be the answer? 6075. ठीक है बेटा. Come to the next question. Very good question. ये वाला. Read it out. This is a question based on ratio and proportion. पढ़ो बेटा. A and B spend 90% and 80% of their income. So हम income ले सकते हैं. Let income of A be XA. Let income of B be XB. A and B का income हमें दिया हुआ है बेटा. It says if total income is 1500, तो XA plus XB दिया हुआ है 1500. XA plus XB दिया हुआ है 1500. And ratio of saving is 3:4. तो बेटा एक बात समझो जरा, think about it, हाँ? It is saying that A is spending 90% of the income. तो A save कितना कर रहा है? 10% of income. It says B is spending 80% of the income. तो बेटा B save कितना कर रहा है? 20% of the income. है कि नहीं? So what will be the savings of A? 10% of its income. Beta, how do we convert percentage and fraction? We divide by 100. XA by 10. Then B is saving how much? Beta, B is saving what percentage of the income? 20%. So 20% of income, 20 by 100 into XB. तो बच्चा ये हो गया XB by 5. This will become XB by 5. Now it is saying ratio of their saving is 3:4. तो ratio of saving क्या दिया हुआ है? What is the ratio of saving given? Ratio of saving that is given as 3/4. तो बेटा व्हाट इज द सेविंग ऑफ ए का सेविंग हमने क्या निकाला है? XA by 10. रेशियो मतलब डिविजन, रेशियो मतलब डिविजन. सो डिवाइडेड बाय बी सेविंग. बेटा बी का सेविंग क्या निकाला है हमने? XB by 5 and this should be equal to 3/4. बेटा whenever you convert division in terms of multiplication, you will reciprocate. So this will become XA by 10 into 5 by XB is equal to 3/4. Is equal to 3/4. So beta 1, 2. So XA by 2XB is equal to 3/4. Beta cross multiply. This will grow here and this will go here. So 4XA is equal to 6XB. 4XA is equal to 6XB. So beta XA will become 6/4X. XA will become 6/4XB. But beta what is given to you? That the sum of their income is 1500. XA plus XB is 1500. So beta XA plus XB is 1500. So बेटा XA की जगह पे ये लिख देते हैं 6/4XB plus XB is 1500. हाँ बच्चे. So this will be 3/2XB plus XB 1500. हाँ बेटा. So ये हो गया आपका 3/2 is 1.5 हो जाता है. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So 1.5 plus 1 मतलब 2.5 XB is 1500. तो XB का वैल्यू आ जाएगा 1500 divided by 2.5. बेटा ये वैल्यू निकाल लेना. So XB का वैल्यू आपका ये आ जाएगा और XA आप निकाल लोगे. So XB आपका 600 आ जाएगा. XB plus XA 1500 है. XB आपका 600 आ रहा है बेटा. इसका सम 1500 है तो XA हो जाएगा 900. XA कितना हो जाएगा? 900. सो आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी 900. क्या आंसर हो जाएगा इसका बेटा? 9. Am I clear? This is a very good question. Very very good question. ठीक है बेटा. एक और बहुत बहुत very very excellent question that can come in exam. I want all of you to try this. Read this question out बेटा.